Hello friends, welcome back. Danny here of Danny's Dreams with a super quick Fun with Stencils video. Today I'm just playing around with stencils and your pattern paper. I think I've done this technique like once and I thought it was really cool, and then I just kind of forgot about it. Because when we have our pattern paper, we just look at it and we're like, oh, that is perfect, it'll be fine. Sometimes though, I think that we can add some different interest to it with adding stencils. All the stencils that I used today are from Kraftin Kimmie. And as I've mentioned in the last couple days, Kraftin Kimmie has a sale going on right now, 30% off of all the in-stock stencils through tomorrow, November 28th, 2021, with the code that's listed in the description box. So make sure you head on over there and pick up some stencils. I have to say, I was going to do the process for this, but then I was like, oh, I want to take my time to pick out the stencils and the ink. And even then, some of it was a success, some of it was a fail. It's okay. It's just paper and it's just playing around. Sometimes I think we need to do that. So let me get busy and just show you what I did. I do have, this is what the original paper looked like. And then this is what it looks like with just a little bit of the Daring Dashes stencil put on it. So just adds a little bit of interest there. And I really like how that one turned out. That one I was happy with. Next up, this is what the original looks like. I guess I'll move that out of the way so it's not distracting. This is the original. And then this is what I came up with using the Whimsical Winds stencil. Just a little bit of interest. I actually had to go back and do it twice because the first ink color I chose didn't quite show up. I think it could be fun. Kind of adds that just a little bit of interest. Kind of adds like some movement to it. Not too bad. This next one, yeah, well, I don't know. There's the original. It's a really busy pattern. And this is what I came up with using the Falling Leaves stencil. I think I should have used like some oranges or some darker brown because the leaves just didn't really show up. But it was a good try. And now I know for the next time to go darker. The next one, this is the original. I used the Perfect Plaid, and I like this one. I just think that just is fun, different, and again, just adds a little bit of interest to that pattern paper. The next one, let me grab it here. This is the original. This is with so many squares, and yeah, another one that I like how it turned out. Again, just a little bit of interest. A little something, something. And then I only have a couple more. This is the original. And I used the Luscious Leaves stencil on this one. And I like this one too. It just kind of adds a little bit of interest to it. Those flowers kind of popping through the leaves. I liked it. And then the last one, have this. And I used the Paw Print stencil. And I like it. It's a little busy. The ink kind of should have been darker, I feel. But again, just playing around, just with paper, and just something to think about. The next time you pull out your designer series paper or your pattern paper, think about adding your stencils to it. Can't hurt, just play around. Maybe just try a little bit, like a strip of it. See what you think, see what color inks you need to do. Like I said, just something fun. Think about it, try it. Thanks for stopping by. I will be back tomorrow with some masking of a colored image and some glitter paste and inking and fun stuff tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. If you like my channel, I really would hope that you would click the button to subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and I always like those thumbs up. Have a fantastic day. Go do something for yourself, go get crafty, go crafty shopping, stock up on those stencils, or just sit back and relax. Have an awesome day.